I remember when we could talk about anything. But now, tell me, what's gone wrong with us?
Shame on we, what have we done to us? Who's to blame for what's been ruining us? If not you, maybe me.
Where's the glue that could be mending us? Remember early days, our friends all toasted us. Do you believe that they thought then they'd see the end of us? And tell me, where's the love we made that gave our love to us? Friday night, I sat and thought of us. You were right, I can't stop missing us. No, not me, maybe you. Oh, oh.
Where's the time we used to spend on us? Why are we ending us?
The magic sleeps but never dies. Do you